Okay, so I'm realizing I need to make updated videos since post-COVID. Today, we learned about two things. We were surveying people, and there are surveys that are numerical data versus categorical. See, we didn't used to have to learn all this, but okay, so if I'm surveying my classmates, and the question I ask is, how many pets do you have? They're going to answer with a number, right? So that's numerical data. How many or how much? And what we learned today is like, some people wanted to say, well, how much do you weigh? Or how much allowance do you get? Or whatever. That's numerical data. Categorical is when they have to answer with a word. Like, what is your favorite pet? Where is your favorite vacation? Anything that's a word. If it's a word answer, it's categorical. If it's a number answer, then it's numerical. And what we had to do today was we talked about bar graphs, how sometimes they look like this. We talked about pictographs, where like a heart stands for 2, and you have somebody with 2 hearts, and you have somebody with 1 and then half of another. How you would make that, like, this one is 4, because it has 2 hearts. This one has 1 and half of another, so that'd be 3. And the other thing, we talked about bar graphs too, that are weird, that like have the bars out to the side and the words over here. And then we talked about line plots. And so we talked about like our favorite animals, and I had you choose from certain ones, like dog, cat, turtle, whatever. And each X stood for a person. And I know in all my classes, dog won. Okay, so if this was my line plot, then you would say dog had 5 people, because I told you to stand up and be the X. That X stands for you. 2 people chose cat, 3 people chose turtle. So I would say, how many people were in this class? Well, then you count the X's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And then they ask you things like, how many more people picked dog than turtle? Well, that's 5 minus 3. That's 2. Or how many people chose cat and turtle combined? So you would add the 3 and the 2. And that was the categorical and numerical data lesson for today. And we are going into quadrilaterals and triangles. And that will be our next lesson.